Hi, this is Accutek Car Visual in Winchester. This is a video of a Transporter T6.1. We've installed a KENWOOD DMX9720XDS into this. As you can see here, it's a lovely fitment. This can be moved to adjust the angle for reflection, etc. This unit's got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wirelessly unwired. We have also utilised the USBs here as well. This also is operated via the steering wheel control, so you've got volume and forward and back track and answer and end. You can also get into the vehicle settings by pressing the the voice button 5 times and it will come up. This has also got the factory rear camera as well, so when you put it in reverse you get the rear camera come up, as you can see there. It has got the facility to have a front dash cam fitted to it as well, which is a nice feature. This particular customer didn't want it. If you'd like to have this done on your T6.1, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.